Prime Minister Modi visited East Champaran in Bihar today and launched multiple developmental projects worth 7,200 crore rupees. The Prime Minister addressed a public rally at Gandhi Maidan in Motihari town ahead of the assembly polls in the state. Now, speaking to people at the rally, Prime Minister Modi lauded the success of Operation Sindoor. Prime Minister also highlighted his government's welfare schemes and infra push and drew a contrast between the current NDA government and the previous RJD era, which he accused of neglecting Bihar.
बिहार की इसी धरती से मैंने ऑपरेशन सिंदूर का संकल्प लिया था और आज उसकी सफलता पूरी दुनिया देख रही है। 40,000 से ज्यादा गरीबों को अपना पक्का घर बनाने के लिए बैंक में उनके खाते में सीधे पैसे भेजे गए हैं। इसमें से ज्यादातर लोग मेरे दलित भाई बहन हैं, मेरे महादलित भाई बहन हैं, मेरे पिछड़े परिवारों के भाई बहन हैं। आप भी जानते हैं, आरजेडी और कांग्रेस के राज में गरीब को ऐसे पक्के घर मिलना असंभव था। जिन लोगों के राज में लोग अपने घरों में रंग रोगन तक नहीं करवाते थे, डरते थे कि अगर रंग रोगान हो गया तो पता नहीं कि मकान मालिक को ही उठवा लिया जाएगा। ऐसे आरजेडी वाले कभी आपको पक्का घर नहीं दे सकते।
And Prime Minister is in Bihar today. He will later be in West Bengal, upping the ante there ahead of assembly elections. My colleague Samya Kapoor joining us with more details. Samya, Prime Minister there categorically giving a report card of what the NDA government has done in Bihar, talking about jobs, welfare, but more importantly, youth.
Absolutely, Ashweta. It is important because the Prime Minister has sounded the poll bugle in Bihar for the upcoming assembly election. He was flanked by all the NDA allies and, of course, the Chief Minister of Bihar, Nitish Kumar, when he was making that statement addressing the people of Motihar, where he did launch several infrastructural projects pertaining to railway, particularly to try and build a better and newer connectivity between Patna and Delhi. But what he did say is very important. A lot of political messaging over there from the soil of Bihar, where he has hit out at the Congress party and the RJD, saying that these are the political parties that thrive on politics just for their immediate family. They do not care for those who are beyond their family bound. Clearly, as far as RJD is concerned, Prime Minister has once again hit out at RJD, saying that it was during the RJD Congress's regime is when Bihar couldn't come out of the darkness that it has sunk into. But now we are promising and we are making an oath to the people of Bihar that we are going to be bringing about development and progress. He sounded the poll bugle by saying, बनाएंगे नया बिहार एक बार फिर एनडीए सरकार. It remains to be seen whether at all the ally partners, including Chirag Paswan, who was critical of the law and order situation yesterday pertaining to more than 10 murders within 2 weeks, is going to be carrying out the same stance as the Prime Minister. Will he do politics that is going to be of a difference away from his father's legacy? But over here, the Prime Minister also underscored that as far as Operation Sindoor is concerned, he had taken that oath from the soil of Bihar. He lauds success of Operation Sindoor as well, once again trying to position India's national agenda from the poll-bound state of Bihar. Now, whether at all Nitish is going to be able to secure another term as a Chief Minister, a lot rides upon the infrastructure and development projects that the Prime Minister has promised to the people of Bihar. Remember, the demand for special package for Bihar still remains. That hasn't been fulfilled. But besides that, 7,000 crore worth of projects for the railway was inaugurated today by the Prime Minister. But it wasn't without taking swipes at the opposition parties, from the Congress to the RJD, where he hit out at them saying that they they indulge in politics meant for the family, and they are not somebody who you can trust as far as the progress and development of Bihar is concerned. The double engine Sarkar agenda was once again reinforced by the Prime Minister, saying that the progress of a state is only possible if you have an ally partner working here in Bihar, while the central ministries and the government is going to be held by the NDA. So we have to wait and see how the RJD is going to respond to it, because as far as RJD is concerned, they have been trying to corner the Nitish government over the issue of law and order and the consecutive days of murders that we have been reporting over here at News 9. No answers on the law and order situation on ground in Bihar at that event today, but a lot of development push and infrastructure boost that the Prime Minister has promised for the people of Bihar.
All right, and in fact, RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav tweeted earlier today suggesting that Prime Minister is going to be in Bihar. He's going to tell a bunch of lies. That was the initial reaction. We'll wait for a further reaction pertaining to the slight barbs that Prime Minister took at RJD and their tenure in Bihar vis-a-vis the current NDA dispensation. Thank you very much, Samia, for all those details.